Hello YouTube, it's Kurt with Ohio Gentleman Arms, and today I got another unboxing for you. And my new rifle. It's brand new, so it's clear. It's never been loaded. But just to show you, we are empty. Got 6-position mag pull stock. Some M-lock rail, free floating. This is the SIG 716I tread. It's chambered in 308. And it's my new battle rifle. Pretty excited about it. Forward assist. Ambidextrous controls. It's got mag release on both sides. So, for you lefties out there. And bolt release. It's got some QD points. SIG 716 tread. Just 716 tread. Heavy. This thing is heavy. It's a nice crisp break. No reset. Alright. Anyways. I was playing around with it. So this rifle got a 16-inch barrel. It weighs 8.16 pounds without magazine in it. Overall length is 37.5 inches. It's got this 3-prong flash hider, brake, whatever you want to call it. And it's chambered in 7.62x51mm NATO or 308. Just a little bit of a flared mag well. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice rifle. Pretty excited about it. Comes with 20 round mag, which is kind of weak, but you know, whatever. Holds back. And mag release. Pretty nice. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. So I got a couple extra 25 round magazines because this is my SHTF rifle. It's a little heavy. I don't know. It might be the 5.56. We're probably going to carry them both. I'm probably carrying this now. It's probably going to have 5.56. But hopefully we ain't going anywhere. We're staying home if anything really goes down. Until we can't stay home. We're stuck. So it doesn't come with anything on top here. So it's got a full-length rail. I bought these sights separate, so I'm having some nice flip-up sights on there, and I'm gonna probably get a low-powered variable optic. New rifle. Guess I can pull my tag off. So I got my serial number. Alright, so tough making videos with kids. Either way, it's new rifle. SIG 716, chamber in 308, 7.62x51, and got a little bit of something else to unbox here. Let's see, put this back. Now this, just put this order in, and we got the new SIG pistol, and oh, 511 tactical bag, Marines bag with the Legion symbol in the back there. Oh, almost threw this out. Natalie's P320 Legion coin. And then got some SIG magazines, 21 round and a 20 round. The P226 got a 20. This is a 21 round for Natalie's. So pretty cool. Put that somewhere we don't lose it. Look, my sweet shirt Natalie got me. Sorry, you probably can't see it. I don't know if you can or not. There's a lot of crazy stuff going on right now. And I don't know. I don't even know what to say about it. ATF. I'm not trying to like piss off anybody. I just don't know what's going on. It's weird. Weird stuff. Well, I know one thing. You don't want to voice out too loud with all the weirdness that's going on. Got this sweet shirt from Ballistic Ink. They use all American stuff. It's American-made t-shirt. Made in America by Americans. It's Eric from Iraq Veteran 8888's channel. And he's got some great videos. I'm sure you guys have watched it. Not, but they're, got some cool shirts too. This one's pretty awesome. Anyways, I'd like to thank you for watching the video and stopping in with me here, checking out my new rifle. Give you one more look. Here it is. I gotta get a slinger on her. I got a Vickers sling to put on somewhere around here. So, got my Vickers sling on there. It's pretty nice. I'm gonna hang down. Pick it up. It's pretty quick. Well, pretty sweet. Alright. Let me get something to hold this on there. Alright, thanks for checking out my new rifle, the SIG 716 Tread. And try my new Ooh. 20 round magazine. Little extended base plate. That's kind of nice. Pretty cool.